Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we're going to see how to create simple business Facebook cover in Photoshop. Before getting started, you can download all the files used in this tutorial. Link in the description. Download it, use it. If you got any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you. Fine, let's get started. First go to the folder you downloaded. There you will see a PSD file. Open the file inside Photoshop. This one is the standard Facebook size file. Design ready. You also have inbuilt icons. We're going to use it later. I'll disable it now. So first we're going to create a placeholder for our image. For that, go to the image folder, create a new layer, go to color picker, select black color, then enable polygon laser tool. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle shape like this one. Now fill your color by using keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. So our image placeholder is ready. Next we are going to bring in our image. For that, go to the folder you downloaded, open the image inside Photoshop. You can use your image or your business related images. So now I'm going to clip mask the image. For that, select the image layer, right click, create clip masking. Now enable free transform tool by using keyboard shortcut Ctrl T. By holding shift key, I'm going to resize the image. I'll settle with this one. Okay. So our image is ready. Next we are going to create a simple design. For that, go to the design folder, create a layer, go to color picker, select yellow color. Now again enable polygon laser tool. Now we are going to create a triangle shape. By using keyboard shortcut Alt backspace, fill the color. So our shape is ready. Next we are going to create a duplicate copy by using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. Enable free transform tool, flip horizontal, flip vertical. Now we are going to place this one on the top left hand side. Okay, so our design is ready. Next we are going to add our text content. For that, go to the text folder, create a layer, go to color picker, select black color, enable text tool. The font I'm using here is called Leto. It's a free font, you can download it. I'll give the link in the description. Type your business name. Next I'm going to create a duplicate copy by using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. I'll reduce the size for this one. Next we are going to enable our icons. Now enable the icons. Place it down below. Now add your contact information. So our cover is almost ready. As a final touch, we are going to give glow effect to our design. For that, go to the effects folder, create a layer, go to color picker, select dark yellow color, enable brush tool. I'm going to select soft brush. Now give a single click on the design. Sorry, before that you need to change the layer blending mode as color dodge. Now give a single click, you will get a glow effect. So our business cover is ready. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more Photoshop tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.